Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news. As Khanyisa Mayo's price check has been revealed, we are going to talk about that. Make sure to smash a like, get your thoughts in down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So this is coming in from Mickey Jr., who's regarded as the best football journalist in Africa. He confirmed yesterday that Khanyisa Mayo will touchdown in Naturena today, and I think we've all seen the pictures. Khanyisa Mayo is in Naturena and ready to get going. He also confirmed that the price check is set at 10.5 million rands in today's currency. So we all know this is a loan deal, a season loan. However, Kaizer Chiefs has an option to make the deal permanent at the end of the season. So if Kaizer Chiefs are to make this deal permanent at the end of this current season, they'll have to pay 10.5 million, which can increase, can decrease, due to currency. So I see a lot of people are confused because there's something called an obligation to buy and an option to buy. In this case, Kaizer Chiefs has an option to buy, meaning if Kaizer Chiefs wants to buy Khanyisa Mayo permanently at the end of the season, they'll have to pay the agreed price, which is 10.5 million. And they have a choice to send him back and not make the deal permanent. However, with an obligation to buy, the loanee team is obliged contractually to make the deal permanent at the end of the loan deal for the agreed price, which is 10.5 million in this case. So Kaizer Chiefs has an option to send Khanyisa Mayo back if things don't work out at the end of this current season. So I think for me, if Khanyisa Mayo plays well, I think this is a fair fee. I think 10.5 million is a fair price. I think as Kaizer Chiefs, we are used to the team not paying, to a point where we can see 10 million as a lot of money. But in today's market, 10 million is not really a lot of money, especially for a player like Khanyisa Mayo, who on his day is one of the best strikers in our country. He has proven himself in the league, and I back him to do well. So fingers crossed for Khanyisa Mayo, to perform well, bank goals, and Kaizer Chiefs make the deal permanent for 10.5 million at the end of the season. But we are safe here. If things don't work out, we also have an option to send him back. If we would have took the obligation to buy option, meaning if Mayo finished the season with 2 goals, 3 months injured, missing chances, we would have to pay 10 million still, so that would have been daylight robber, so this is a good move by Kaizer Chiefs to take the option to buy, and it's up to us at the end of the season whether we take Khanyisa Mayo permanently or we send him back. So let's see how this move works out. Let's hope Khanyisa Mayo will be a success. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.